Inverted row. One of the best back builders. Place a barbell on the rack at the height that suits you. The lower the bar, the harder the exercise will be. Remember that your arms must be fully extended at the bottom part of the lift. Bend your knees slightly so your feet don't slip across the floor and grab the bar about shoulder width apart. Start pulling the bar towards your lower chest, feeling the rear delts and back working. Make sure you're pulling your elbows back, not just pulling with your arms. Try to touch your chest with the bar on every rep. This will keep you accountable for the quality of the reps you perform. Hold it for a split second, then go back down. Extending your legs will make the exercise harder. You shouldn't feel your forearms and biceps too much during this exercise. Common mistake: pulling with your arms. When pulling with your arms, you'll be using too much of the forearms and the biceps. Compared to the proper form, this will mean your wrists are coming too close to your shoulders, taking the back out of the movement.